Hello and welcome to Yossi's Room. Today we're going to learn how to make a flexagon. And all you need is a pair of scissors, some glue, and the flexagon printout. You can get the file just down here. And so let's see how we do it. So the first question you're probably asking is, what is a flexagon? A flexagon is a multi-sided strip of paper folded into some shape. For instance, this is a tri-hexa-flexagon. Tri, it has 3 sides. Hexa, it has 6 edges. And it is a flexagon. Where are the 3 sides that it has? Well, this is one side. You can see the smiley. This is the next side. This is the stars. And this is the third side, which is a dove. So you can see it is a piece of paper which has 3 different sides. And it's kind of nice because they cycle around like this. So it makes it pretty cool. You might like to notice something interesting about this cycle. Look at the smiley faces. You see the smiley faces, they're all smiling inwards. They're radiating towards the center. And then if we go around once more, you'll actually see that now the smiley faces are radiating outside towards the edges. So that's pretty cool. There are some other cool things that you might like to learn about flexagons. But I'm first going to show you how to make it. Print out the piece of paper with the 2 strips printed on them. Cut out both strips. While you're doing that, I'll tell you that the flexagons were found accidentally by a British student called Arthur Stone, who moved to Princeton University in the United States in 1939. While he was bored in a lecture, he cut off a strip of paper and folded it up, and by accident created the tri-hexa-flexagon. Together with his friends Brian Tuckerman, Richard Feynman, and John Tukey, they founded the Flexagon Committee and studied the mathematical properties of many different flexagons. Back to making the flexagons. Glue both strips together back to front and make sure they are aligned correctly. So here we've glued them, and this is how they're supposed to be. And now comes the creasing. Make a crease on each diagonal line back and forth. This is done to make the folding easier. By the way, all the people I told you about went on to become prominent scientists and mathematicians. Richard Feynman even won the Nobel Prize in Physics. Diagrams that he used to describe the interactions of the fundamental particles in physics, now called Feynman diagrams, were based on an idea from the family of flexagons that he studied. Okay, once you have finished, try and fold the strip into the shape of a hexagon with smileys on one side and doves on the other. You are left with a triangular flap that does not have any shapes on it. Glue the flap to its counterpart, and there you have it, the tri-hexa-flexagon.